Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a plan with me today in my EC, and I'm going to be using this kit from HelloPetitePaper. I know I used a HelloPetitePaper kit last week, but I just love this kit, and I thought it would be really nice for Memorial Day and the week after, just because of the nautical colors and the blues and the pinks. I just love it. So this is her Good Vibes kit. I got it last year. I think it's so cute. So I'll show you what I have. And I want to apologize for this ugly band-aid. I have a burn, and I spoke about that last week, but I just wanted to cover it because it's getting yucky. So anywho, let's get into it. I'm going to be planning in my EC, like I said, and I'm going to be using hollow foil. So that's going to be exciting, right? I thought that this kit with the blues, I've been wanting to use hollow foil, and I figured that with the blues, it'd be really pretty. So I went on a date last week, and I mentioned it in the plan with me, and I mentioned that he was planning everything, and I didn't know what was going to occur or what he had planned. So he picked me up, and he had flowers. It was just so cute. And then we drove to this really nice restaurant, and we had dinner, and then we went to a park and we watched the sunset, and that was really fun. And we just talked for a long time, so it was a really good date. And he is right now out of town, so he'll be back Monday, so I'll probably hang out next week. I'm not sure yet, but I know I got a lot of questions like, how did it go? I heard you went on a date, and you guys are so sweet. I love how much you guys care about like my life and how things that happen. So I appreciate that more than you guys will ever know. So let's get into the sidebar. I feel like I'm just jumping right in at everything, but so I have my third out of 6 licensure tests this week. It was supposed to be on Tuesday the 28th. So I'll tell you a whole story and just how everything worked out. I was so incredibly happy. So I'm gonna do my sidebar as I always do. Perfect. So I'm gonna do my sidebar. So I originally was supposed to take it on the 28th, and where I take it, let's do this one first. Where I take it is about a 2-minute drive from my house, so I really lucked out in that standpoint. And it's where I've taken the other 2 tests. And I went to schedule my next one, and usually I can schedule like a week or 2 in advance. And that's what I thought it would be like for this next test. But I went to schedule, and the only thing they had open was May 21st at the testing center right close to my house. And after last weekend where I babysat all weekend, I just knew that I wouldn't be able to do that because I wouldn't be able to study just due to the fact that I was babysitting all week or weekend. So I looked at the next date, and the next date available at my testing center by my house was June 24th. I was like, lovely. So, but there are other testing centers. There's a testing center about a half an hour away from me. So I scheduled that test. I scheduled my next test at the other testing center. And I was like, that's fine. I'd rather wait a week because I do not want to have to retake this test. So I knew that I'd rather wait a week. Oh good, I wasn't even in frame. I'd rather wait a week because these tests are expensive, and I don't want to have to take it again. Oh, look at that. I'm using my new whiteout. This is the Tombow whiteout, which I really like. I knew that I didn't want to take it, so I scheduled it for that other testing center that was a little farther away. But I was like, I'd rather wait an extra week, be fully prepared, and drive a half an hour than I'm gonna take this guy up, then rush it just because of the convenience of the testing center. So I'm gonna put a bright pink there. And so I went to then just check. I don't know why I went to check my test and if there was any other availability for it, but I did. And I saw that there was an open spot at the testing center right by my house on May 29th. So I was like, yes, I'll do it. I know it's a day late, but I'll do it because this test was going to be at 12:45, and I like to take them right in the morning because then I'm not anxious about it and I don't overthink it. And I can't study in the morning. I find that I just can't do that because my brain will be fried. So Wednesday's test is at my testing center and it's at 8 a.m. So perfect. So I'm really happy and I'm just thankful that all worked out. So I'm gonna take these from Rose Colored Days. These are her heart scripts. I'm gonna take, let's do a this week for my workouts. I love that, so pretty. All right, so we are going to do the full boxes and the headers. So let's see my full boxes. I first know I'm gonna put this full box up here. So I'm just going to scatter these. I'm gonna put them at the bottom of the box. So I'm just gonna put all these down and I'll be right back. All right, so that went super smoothly, super happy about that. I have some overlays and headers that I want to use. So I have these overlays from Station Stickers. This was like a hollow overlay sampler that you could get. So I have 6 here. I have 1 here from Sadie's Stickers. This was a sampler. So I think I might use that. And then let me see the headers I have. And I have, let's see, all right. I have these from Rose Colored Days, which I'm definitely going to use because these are beautiful. And then I'm gonna use the Today headers and patterned floral here. And then I have, for the patterned floral, I have, well, for the Today's, I'm gonna take this overlay tape from Rose Colored Days. This is her header tape that is perforated. Cute. And then I'll do, okay, I have it. I'm gonna do the hollow solid ones over the full boxes, and then I'll do the Today over one box and then the floral over the other. So I will just fast forward this because this is tedious. All right, before I continue, I forgot I had these. These are from Sadie's Stickers. These were headers from a kit, Love Bunny, and I'm gonna use these, and then I'm going to add these clear hollow overlay headers. So they will make like little pink bow overlay headers. So I think they'll be really, really cute. So I'm going to continue to put all my headers down. All right, so I know this looks kind of funky, but it all worked out. So I realized that I only had 4 floral headers, but I still really wanted to use them. So what I did was I did every other day, and then on those days that, like Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday where I didn't have the floral, I took these headers from Sadie's Stickers. These are both samplers or like freebies that I got in an order. And so I just put them there. So I think it looked really pretty. I'm really happy how it came out, and I'm loving this hollow. Obsessed. So that's beautiful. And let me put my flags down. All right, so now we can do the day to day. I'm loving this so much. I love the hollow foil. I think it's perfect with this kit. So Monday is Memorial Day, and I work out and I study. So I have these. These are from the same sampler. I might use this one, but I might put it down here because I don't know if that's too many bows. Could you ever have too many bows? I think it works because, I'm gonna move it down just a little bit, because they're all the same bow. And then I will add an accent. If I can put this down, that would be really nice. Oh, I realized I forgot to use my overlays. That's fine. I'll save those. It's not like I can't use them. Ooh, I have these. Okay, I'll use these. These are some flag overlays. That's pretty. Okay. Yeah, I like that little accent. So I'm gonna go now. Oh my gosh, another bow is coming in hot. Let's use this bow. This bow is from Rose Colored Days in the Plainer Sophisticate. I'm gonna use my tweezers for this one. Just Sunny, I drew these. These are just little accents. They're super cute. So I'm just gonna use that for Memorial Day and make it kind of big just to take up some space. And then I'm working out. So let's use, I have a couple ideas. I have these flags from Magic Prints Co. And I think these are just hollow. Cute. And then I have these workout multicolored icons from HelloPetitePaper. And I'm going to take this flag and move it in a little bit. And then put that here. Cute. Just to kind of make the flag a little, like, look a little longer. And then just studying. All right, and then I just want to study. So I have these bill due and paydays at the bottom. And I'm just going to take one of those. Put that there, and then layer this study cup from Ribbon and Nib. These are so cute. They're little Ray and Dyer inspired mugs. Tuesday, I work in the morning. I work out again, and then I'm having dinner with an old friend that like one of my high school friends. Here it is. So this is the work script from that same sampler that I used for the sidebar. This striped. I'm gonna turn my planer a little bit. I'm just gonna use one of these like appointment flag labels on there for my work script. And then working out, I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna put working out down here. And then just I'll probably study. I'll use a kettlebell from My Newest Addiction. These are her workout icons. I really, really like them. I think they're super cute. Okay, and then dinner, I'll use a half box from the kit. Or should I use the blue floral? Let me use the blue floral. And then I'll just take a little bow. These are, I'll take 2 hearts, yeah. These hearts are from Clever Gal Crafts. These are her open hearts, and she just started offering hollow foil, so I purchased a couple sheets. I'm just going to layer these. That's super cute. That's all for Tuesday. Wednesday, I have my big exam, so I'm going to use one of these half boxes from My Newest Addiction. These are foiled half boxes and foiled quarter boxes. So let's put that sucker down. And then hopefully, if I pass, crossing my fingers, this test has a very high passing rate. So if I don't pass, that'd be embarrassing. But I'll be a certified elementary school teacher, which is crazy to think about. Because right now I'm 2/3 elementary and 2/3 special ed, which is awesome. So I have these bows again from Clever Gal Crafts. I want to use, I think I want to use this guy. This is Peonies colorway. That's cute. And with the hollow foil. So, and then I can't speak. And then Wednesday night, my mom and I are getting our nails done as a little celebration, and I need to get mine done. They're getting bad. And do I work out? No, I guess I don't work out Wednesday. I am loving this kit and hollow foil. Oh my goodness. I just placed an order with Panda Bear Design with tons of hollow foil too, because I love her stuff. Super cute. And I might apply, goodness, another accent here. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to wait. And then I probably want to film this day too. Let's use, ooh, this is really cute. This is a little scalloped box from that Sadie Stickers sampler. So I'm gonna put this, my planner is getting thick. I don't like when it gets thick. Like, it makes me cringe. Anybody else? I wish she would have just a 6-month planner, because I would do that. I'm gonna use a squiggle from Nikki Plans and Rose Colored Days. Just put that right there. Oh my goodness. All right, super cute. Awesome. So that is the first half of the week. Obsessed. Really slow second half of the week. Let me use another dumbbell. I'll use the blue one. I'm sorry, yeah, a dumbbell. I always get them mixed up. And that was again from HelloPetitePaper. And then I want to film a haul and a setup this week. So let's take Thursday. I really want a video to go live. Let's use a blue half box here to mark my video going live. It will be a video, probably a haul or a setup or a flip through of my planner, my B6 rings. And then I took a bow from My Newest Addiction. I might just leave this blank just because I'm not sure what else is going on. Ooh, okay, I work out, I film, and I want a video going live. So I'll just use that and I'll mark filming. I'll put a little heart icon from My Newest Addiction. Let's use, this is from the Sadie's Stickers sampler. So many shops came out with hollow foil as like a $2 Tuesday, and I like didn't pick anything up. And now I wish I did, because I'm loving hollow foil. Oh my goodness. I cannot say that enough. Maybe another video will go live. I'll mark it in hopes it will go live. Friday, Saturday, I have off days, so I won't be working out then. But Friday, I'll just use a half box for something. Not sure. But yes, I'll just use a half box for maybe a video going live. We'll see. And then that's it for Friday. I'm not going to mark anything. Saturday, I just want to film and edit. So I have these scalloped circles from Regina Laughs, and this is in her spring color. So I thought that like a lot of these would go really well. Probably this pink right here. So let's put that up here. Let's put that up here, but then let me see. I'm gonna actually use this like this light orange, because I won't be able, because I don't use a lot of kits with this. I cannot, oh, there we go. With this color. So I'm gonna move this. Blah. All right, I'll put this here for filming. And then I can't put that there. I'll use this box. This is again from Sadie's Stickers. We'll just put this here. Cute. And then let me use the other color. I'll use this one down here to mark the video going up and I work out this day. Uh-oh. Oh, I'll use another icon from My Newest Addiction. Let me move that over. That's like awkward. Awkward placement. I love this. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys adore this as much as I do. Let me know your favorite kits to use hollow foil, like what colors you like to use with hollow foil, as well as where you buy your hollow foil. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, My Life Stuck on Paper, and I'll see you all soon.